Hello, my name's Ricky Cartwright and I'm the Head of Technology at Prodtex. So Prodtex are a Dassault Systems partner and we specialise in the DELMIA brand, and we're based out of the UK and Scandinavia. We work a lot with automotive, aerospace and construction companies to help them improve their manufacturing processes and simulate, validate and execute their manufacturing. So we focus primarily on the virtual factory and process engineering strands for digital manufacturing. So we do a lot of work with our customers and our partners, helping them to take their CATIA EBOM data and turn that into a manufacturing bill of materials, create process plans, 4D simulations of the manufacturing process, and then do various different simulations depending on what problems they're trying to solve or what risks they're trying to mitigate. It could be ergonomic studies for safety, factory flow simulation for rate analysis, or robotic simulations to understand how their actual production will operate in detail. So for us, DELMIA is one of the cornerstones of our business. It's kind of essential to everything we do. At Prodtex, we really pride ourselves on being experts in manufacturing and working with our customers to make sure they're utilizing the latest technology and tools to give them kind of the edge and optimize their manufacturing processes as much as possible. And DELMIA is really essential for that because it gives you the vision and the insight to understand your existing manufacturing processes in the finest of details and really kind of get clarity of vision of what's going on, and also to very easily communicate that information to the wider business around you and help you to break down those kind of silos in the business and get the benefit of all the experts that you have at your hands to be able to contribute and understand what's planned. And then really to take those existing processes and understand the what-if scenarios of how you could improve them, what the impact of your changes will be, and to then follow through and actually execute those and understand that the way you're executing them is going to be as intended. The DELMIA Community Summit has been a revelation for us. We, in the UK, and in Scandinavia, our kind of USP is understanding DELMIA and working with DELMIA for the benefit of ourselves and our customers. And it's been really beneficial to be surrounded by so many passionate and enthusiastic DELMIA users from the wider industry and from Dassault itself, and be able to exchange knowledge, exchange contact details and learn from each other and understand how we can all get optimize our use of the software to bring the benefits to our customers and to ourselves.